If you guys are coming to Japan for some sneaker shopping, trust me, check this out. Right now I'm at Osaka and here it is. So Belize is quite well known for all the sneaker and streetwear that they keep, so we'll walk into here. Let's check out what they have here. What a store, man. What a variety. Look at this. These are all the Asics sneakers out there and different colors, different silhouette. Ooh, look at that gel cumulus. Wow. I guess सही दिख रहा है ये. What's the price? 16,000 without taxes. Pretty cool pair, man. What a sneaker! Like 10,000 में ये sneaker, भाई. People are paying for Jordans in India for 10,000 rupees. You can always pick up this one. This is super comfortable, very good for overpronate feet. Look at this girl's variation. Looks cool, right? This is Asics suede Skyhand. Two different colors. This is one more color. Look at this colorway. Looks pretty cool for girls. Oh, look at this pink orange off-white shade Asics Skyhand. Skyhands are actually getting popular right now. And then we come on to On, one of the most trending sneakers right now. What a colorway. Amazing colorway, right? For your mamas, for your girlfriends, sisters. Too good, too good. Love it. Look at these neutral colors. Looks very premium, super comfortable. Swiss engineering. Look at how the logo stands out. भाई ये sneakers ना इंडिया में आपको ढूंढते ढूंढते हवा टाइट हो जाती है and you're getting it here on retail. I love this one. It's quite unique. 22,000 yen. This is for rugged purpose. Look at the outsole. Trekking के scene के लिए because it's waterproof. It's really good. 22,000 yen. All these are New Balances. So this one New Balance is for 36,000 without taxes, 990s. But this one 2002 R, 24,000. Look at this New Balance. Wow. Sleek, amazing, slim shoes, off-white laces. There's a sporty look. 530 New Balance. I've seen a lot of people wearing this kind of sneaker here in Japan as well. Really futuristic kind of sneakers, right? 18,300 ka price. If I have to pick one, I would pick 990s. They look super easy to go with. Neutral colors, look amazing. Moving on to Nikes. Oh, we've got Jordan 1 lows. 15,300. Suede leather here. These have recently released. Jordan 1 mids. 18,500. And then there are Reebok classic sneakers. Check this out. Too cool. 13,000 superstars here. That's a tiger print. Oh, look at that. These are all the pairs here. These are also in trend. A lot of girls I've seen wearing them in Japan. 14,000. I can see some of these fresh apparels as well. Naked lunch. This is interesting, man. Okay, let's see if I like something. Oh, this is interesting, but I don't wear full sleeves, bro. There are Vans as well. Vans that you don't get in India. 11,000. These are checkered board Vans, print without laces. Then there are Converses. Nice Converse collection here. Yeah, they've got almost every brand. This brand out, guys, UGG. इसके बारे में बहुत कम लोगों ने सुना होगा, but ये इतने सारे fur जो अंदर लगे होते हैं because this is inspired by the surfers in Australia and New Zealand और उसकी वजह से ये design element ऐसा है. But nowadays it's picking up because a lot of people are styling this with streetwear, so you might want to just come here and check this out. 24,000 before taxes. This is 30,000. These ones 24,000. I like this one. This is quite interesting. What's the price? 18,000. I found this pretty interesting. I love this. I have not worn this ever, but I'm gonna try this. Let me just try this quickly. Yeah, it's good, right? सही दिख रहा है इसको, but it goes with the color. Maybe it was a black one. This is nice. Check this pullover, man. I love this. क्या सही दिख रहा है ना? What a pullover. Amazing. Okay, all this is black. I generally don't like black much because black बहुत ही safe bet हो जाता है. थोड़ा सा color. Yeah, this is good for a premium personality. अच्छा लगेगा. यहाँ पर एक silver golden logo दिया हुआ है and this is a black one. The price is 18,000. And now I come to a brand that's actually taking off. Salmon. Salmon के तो stores भी देखे हमने काफी सारे. This one is Salmon XT. I think this is 4 OG or 6 OG. But this is amazing colorway. बहुत सारे लोगों को मैंने देखते हुए देखा और इसी में एक white color भी आता है. Yes, this is the one. This is the white one. I want to just check the price for this one. 26,000 before taxes. This is also quite interesting. Good colorway. This is a Mizuno brand sneaker. इसमें काफी सारे color variations आ रहे हैं, but this is थोड़ा सा I like this one. I like this one. इसमें black color भी है, full black mixed with graphite, grey mixed with black. This is close to 27,000, so Indian currency 15,000 में आ जाएगा. Oh, this is insane. This sneaker looks so futuristic. Let me check the price quickly. 27,000. So cool, right? क्या जूता है भाई. ऑफ वाइट कलर है. इट्स गॉट दीज ट्यूब्स इन बिटवीन. फ्यूचरिस्टिक लुक. भाई क्या स्प्रिंग मूवमेंट मिलेगा इसके फीट पे. वेल आई ऑल्सो सॉ समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हियर. लेट मी शो यू. लुक एट दिस वेजा. वेजा का पूरा लाइनअप है यहाँ पर. All these different colors, your silver color, golden color as well, the suede finish as well, premium leather, sporty look. They are really growing globally. I love it. I think in India, वेजा सिर्फ वेज नॉन वेज में मिलता है. But if I have to pick one, this would be the pair. This is 26,000 premium pair, very comfortable, looks so crisp. I see some Adidas. Oh, this is Adidas Evo SL. Check this out. This Adidas Evo SL, 18,000. 2-3 color variation. This one is a different one. This is a professional running sneaker. This is 28,000. Now look at the heel to toe height. बाप रे क्या drop है, crazy. Guys, I just missed this out. This is amazing socks collection here. Okay, ये तो सब लोगों ने देखा ही होगा Nike वाइकी का, but ये On के socks हैं यहाँ पर, full length and branded socks. But apart from that, look at this. Stance के socks हैं. Stance is a socks brand now. This is like NBA collaboration socks, Lakers का. And this is Washington Wizards. This is official socks of MLB. Wow, I love this one a lot. Yosemite National Park. What socks, man. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this color. They've got variety in colors. So just to give you a price perspective, 3,000 without taxes. Check this out. Oh my god. Oh, pretty unique. Love this one. Check this. 2,200 yen. 1,200 rupees. These are all the colors available here. The different colors. Check this. Oh, check this. Insane. Ah. Hey, what is this? Skiing. Look at this. Interesting stuff. You got to come here and visit this place. And check this out, guys. There is this woolen sweaters. These are woolen polo t-shirts. This is a sweater, sleeveless sweater. Then there's a full sleeve sweater. Wow, love this. It's a polo Ralph Lauren. What's the price for this one? This is 24,000. Nice colors. There are 4 colors: green, blue, red. Oh wow, what a shirt. Oh wait, this is a classic Billy's shirt. 21,000 before taxes. That's what we found here at Billy's here in Osaka. Now when I talk to this guy, let me grab some more information with this, because this guy is a pro. Yo bro, what's up? Amazing store first of all. I love the inventory across different brands. But if people are coming to Japan, where all they can find Billy's? Sapporo? Oh, there's a store in Sapporo as well? Far north?
Yeah. Sendai?
Sendai? Superb.
Yeah. Tokyo.
Tokyo? How many stores in Tokyo?
Tokyo 4.
4 stores in Tokyo. I've been to the Harajuku one. And how about in Osaka?
Osaka 3.
3 stores in Osaka.
Yeah.
Man, you guys are building the culture here. I love the variation. I love the stock. Thank you so much for letting me do this.
Thank you.
I'm sure a lot of Indians would want to come here and do some shopping here. Do visit Billy's. It's at Osaka, and you'll find a lot of stores across Japan. I'm going to sign off right now, but you guys stay tuned. Cheers. Peace.